we are going to be playing Sorry for this video. This is a new video. So, you are going to be blue. Here. Put this over here. Here, put it over there. There you go. I'm going to be yellow. I'm going to be yellow. Yeah. Start button. Okay, flip all the cards over. Daddy. Okay. So, rock, paper, scissors. Who's going first? Rock, paper, scissors. You. Got you. Okay. Wait. Take a pause and Roger, wait, you have to do it like this, okay? Do it like this. Do it. You have to again. You got two. Move two. Roger, move two, okay? Okay. Say 1, 2, okay? You got it. Yeah. No, you cheated. 1, 2. Stay right there. Put it right here. Put it here. Okay, you have to let go, okay? Okay, this time my turn. I got 1. Oh, move! Move, Elijah. Let me move wider. Okay. You feeling better? Yeah. Okay, I got to move one space. I already did that. Okay, your turn. Okay. You have to do it like that. Oh, you got 3. 1. Look, do 1, 2, 3. Okay, do it. Go. That's the wrong way, okay? You have to do it right here. There we go. My turn. Hey. Hey, get on my forehead. As you can see, I got strawberries. I get to go again. As y'all can see, I can got 1. Yeah. Now watch it. Wait. Wait. No.
What are y'all doing?
Huh? Your turn to watch it. Okay. I just put the cards over. Okay, there we go. Uh-oh. What? Oh, you get to go again. Go again. You got stars, are you okay? Yeah. It sticks. Roger, Roger, your turn. Okay. Your turn. Move. Okay. Your turn. Okay. You got. Go again. You have to go again, okay? Go again. Just get a different one. Wait. What did you get? You got 3 again. 1, 2, 3. He's catching up to me. You get to slide. Well, if you land there, you have to go all the way here, okay? If you land on that. So, my turn. All right. It's not your turn now. Wait, it's not your turn. No. As y'all can see, I have got 1, but I'm going to switch to 12. Hey. Your turn, Elijah. Why did you do that? No, you're supposed to go there. Where? You got 12. I got 12 too. Oh my God. Huh. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We get the slide to the little dot. Wait, guys, can you say I'm not going in the right way? I don't have anything set up the right way. I'm just going to slide it over here. There we go. Gotcha, yes. You should be shooting right here, okay? It's right here. That's my spot. Right here. So right. You knocked mine down. I got 12. You got 12. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12.